And how do I know that price is going to, go to the upside, right? I know some people are saying they are going to be waiting for confirmation or whatnot, right? I've already made my confirmation. I don't need for the what trend line break, right? How's it going? How's it going? Smart, and I'm back on your screen, right? I'm super excited as always. So let's talk about, major predictions I've made for the year, right? 2024, right? And if you come to my signal group, Forex to be specific, if you come to my signal group right here, look at December 29, 2023. So these predictions has been made, for a very, very long time, right? So first off, we are going to start with AUD USD, right? Stick with me on this video. So this is the AUD USD prediction right here. Can you see this? Major prediction, and you can see that, AUD has been falling, right, for a very, very long time, right? So let us go to review what we predicted, right? So if you're not part of the Telegram group, right, this Telegram group right here, you can always check it out. Look at the prediction that we pretty much made, right? AUD is currently falling, all right? So if you want to judge that in terms of P, I think we are back like 240 pips, right? And no drawdown. That is exactly what you have to notice also. So we are in profit above 240 pips. That's pretty massive, right? So you can come back again to see other prediction that we made here, right? So this happens to be, wait, let me go to as far back as, right, stick with me. So this is what GBPUSD. Let's go to the EURUSD, right? EURUSD is falling, right? You can attest with me on that, right? EURUSD currently is falling. And all these predictions are currently valid. If you're watching right now, it's valid. So let's go to, this is EURUSD. Let's go to EURUSD. Let's see what EURUSD is doing. All right, so very, very important, EURUSD. Right, so EURUSD is falling, right? Massive fall to the downside. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Let me see what price has been doing. Can you see right there? So that's the entry point, and EURUSD is currently falling as I speak. So everything is well calculated. If you know what you're doing, you know what you're doing. So I think we are in a profit of about 175 pips thereabout. Let's say 170 pips, right? And a profit. So this is our our target right here. So that's exactly how you pretty much predict all of these things. And just so you know, I make this prediction, right? All of this prediction were what 29th of December 22. How did I know, right? So it's literally what, if you know how to predict all of this, you know how to predict. This is what 29th. Look at this, 29th of what December right here, and this is what GBPUSD. So let's look at what GBPUSD is doing. So this is gold right here, but let's go check what GBPUSD is doing. All right, so very, very important. As I said, if you know what you're doing, you know what you're doing. So these things are simple. All right, so can you see, like, we made a profit from here down to here, price retraced again to our entry point, and currently right now is currently falling. So it's not about the price retracement, right? It's not about the price retracement. If you write about the direction, you write about the direction. Price is still going to fall to the downside, right? So what you want to notice, you want to note the direction, right? The direction of the trend, very, very important. You write about the direction, then eventually price is going to fall into your favor. And let's see what this has been doing, right? So I think we are in profit about 136 pip right now. It's still going to fall, don't worry. GBPUSD is still going to fall, right? Down to this zone right here. So this is our second level target. This is our first level target right here. So we are going to clear this bar right here, then we are going to come to this zone, then to this zone, right? So just watch that. So that is for what GBPUSD, and just so you know, all these predictions were made what December 29th. So it's not now that I'm doing all of these predictions right here. Look at where we pretty much enter the market, right? So if you want to learn all of this, I'm running an academy, Smart Traders Academy. You can pretty much predict all of this move before it happens, right? This happens to be what? Gold. So let's go check gold. Let's go check gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold. Let me just spell gold, right? Let me spell gold. Right? It's gold. Come up, gold. Mr. Gold, you've got to come up. Let's see what you're doing, right? So very, very important. Let's see what gold is doing. So look at gold prediction right here. Can you see? Massive, right? Right? We sold, right? We sold. Remember, it's 29th, right? So you can see that price is currently at what? This zone right here. Can you see all of this profit down to this zone? Then we pretty much retrace down to this zone again. Now we are currently tanking to the downside. Can you see all of these predictions we made what? 29th. Look at this right here. Can you see right here? Simple, right? If you know what you're doing, you know what you're doing. So overall, gold is coming down, yeah, right? So the Telegram group is in the video description. If you want to be part of the mentorship, right? All of it are in the video description, right? Very, very important. This is 29th also, and this happens to be what? EURUSD, right? So these predictions are valid for January to March, right? But if I see any price change, definitely I'm going to update everybody that price has changed, then take profit. Then we can pretty much use other method to pretty much kill the market, right? So Euro AUD, let's go. AUD, right? So this is Euro AUD, massive to the downside, massive to the upside, sorry, right? So this is our entry level right here. Yeah? Look at this point, right? The price was about to take us out. So entry level price was about to take us out, but I'm right to the direction, right? It's simple. Can you see this right here? Right? We didn't hit our stop loss. So you want to always be right about the direction of whatever thing you're doing. Now price is currently massive to the upside. Look at this right here. You see first level target already hit, right? This happens to be the second level target. Right now we are in 322 pips right here. Can you see that? Massive to the upside, right? Same with all of these predictions were made 29th of December. Look at this right here, massive to the upside. Look at this arrow right here to the upside. So let's talk about GBPAUD, right? So I think the next one will be GBPAUD, right? So this is exactly how you predict, right? If you know what you're doing, you know what it is. It's 29th of December, right? Yeah. Now all of this thing is documented in a Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram channel, you see all of these predictions, right? All of this prediction I pretty much made. Can you see this arrow to the upside? 29th. How do I know that price is going to go to the upside, right? I know some people are saying they are going to be waiting for confirmation or whatnot, right? I've already made my confirmation. I don't need for the trend line break, right? I don't need that. I've already made my confirmation from the higher time frame perspective. So what do I need to do? And I just need to come, take my entry, right? Do everything, my entry level, everything right here. Then I go to the upside, right? I pretty much trade it to the upside. It's as simple as that, right? So let's go to GBP. But this is specific for Forex, right? GBP AUD, massive, right? To the upside. Right, so this is GBP AUD right here, massive to the upside. Can you see? Simple. Right, let me show you before. This is the before right here. Can you see? Massive to the upside. Now GBP AUD is currently trading right here. Let me go to the daily time frame. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right, can you see? Massive to the upside. Can you see right here? So everything is pretty calculated, well calculated, and we know what we are doing right here. we know what you were doing. So this is the overall target, right? That's the overall target. But don't worry, price is going to come here. It's still going to consolidate before we go massive to the upside. And just so you know, prices will know what keep trading to the upside, right? Price is still going to consolidate here a bit, then we go massive what to the upside. That's how price moves. So that is that for GBPAUD. I don't know if we have any other one, right? So I think this is what January, 3rd of January 2024, and GBPAUD is already what's going into our favor, right? So this is exactly how you pretty much predict all of this, and this happens to be what Euro AUD, right? Euro AUD. So this is exactly how you do. I think this is gold, right? Massive to the downside, pretty updated everybody. Now short gold, then we retrace back up again, right? So this is what GBPUSD, and you can pretty much do all of this. And just so you know, all of these things is valid, right? It's valid. So I think this is my signal group, right? So all of these things are valid till what? March, right, of this year, March of this year, 2024. So this is how you can pretty much predict any chart, right? You can pretty much predict any chart. If you know what you're doing, if you know the direction of the market, it's simple to predict all of this. So